Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the crucial steps of preparing your site for a successful kitchen garden. Let's get started. First, let's talk about soil preparation. Ensuring your soil is fertile and well-draining is essential for healthy plant growth. Start by adding organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil. This will provide the necessary nutrients and improve soil structure. Next, consider preparing raised beds. Raised beds offer several advantages. They improve drainage, extend the growing season, and make gardening easier on your back. Build your raised beds to be at least 6 to 12 inches high for optimal results. Here's how to create your raised beds. First, choose a location. Pick a sunny spot with good drainage. Next, build the frame. Use untreated wood, bricks, or other materials to construct the frame of your bed. Then, fill with soil. Fill the beds with a mix of garden soil and organic matter. Ensure the soil is well-draining and nutrient-rich. Proper site preparation sets the foundation for a thriving garden. Fertile soil and well-prepared beds ensure your plants have the best start, leading to healthier growth and better yields. Preparing your garden site is a vital step in starting a successful kitchen garden. Focus on enriching your soil and setting up raised beds to give your plants the best chance to thrive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!